Hello, in front of me I've got the Survivor. In this video I'll show you the difference between RTX on and RTX off. Currently we've got the RTX disabled. The game looks already incredible, the graphics are beautiful and the textures are very precise and detailed. Now let's turn on the RTX. As you can see, all of my settings are set to Epic, field of view wider, VSync on, and now let's turn on ray tracing. It can take some time, especially on weaker PCs or in my case on the laptop. Now let's select AMD Fidelity FX2. Quality or disabled, and here how game looks with the RTX on. Now let's select AMD Fidelity to balanced, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.